Spring selling season has arrived, and March Madness is more than just a college basketball tournament. I'm Landon Bellum with the Griffith home team at RE/MAX Professionals, and this is your Denver market update for March 2024. The month of March brings many signs of a changing real estate market. First, we welcome daylight savings, and next we celebrate the luck of the Irish on St. Patrick's Day. Then we celebrate the official first day of spring with the end of the month celebrating the Easter holiday. These are all signs of buyers and sellers rolling up their sleeves and finding their trusted realtor to assist them in finding and selling their next home. I truly appreciate your trust and confidence in allowing me to share my experience and wisdom in a complicated real estate market. Buyers are finding that some homes are attracting multiple offers, while others are sitting on the market. Sellers are finding that their preparation to show their homes in the best condition and at a fair price will bring multiple offers, while a lack of preparation will leave their home to linger on the market longer than expected and sell for a lower price. Active inventory on the market is up 45%, while homes that closed were slightly down. The biggest data is the average price of a single-family home is up 3.4%, while the average price of condos and townhomes was down 1.9%. Condos and townhomes are experiencing a buyer's market with the increase of HOA fees this year. Some great opportunities for buyers there. This month is the time to begin in earnest your home search and getting your home on the market. Please call me today to discuss the market near you. Let's march forward with your success in real estate.